the Novena Masses. That means we are ready for the fiesta tomorrow. And we are supposed to appreciate and celebrate faith that nurtures. That is our theme. Faith nurtures. Anything that nurtures nourishes. So faith is like food. Food, pagkain, pampalaki. We need to grow, to develop, and we need faith for that. That is what our theme tells us. What does it mean to celebrate, to appreciate faith as food? Faith that nurtures, that nourishes. That's easy. Bartimaeus in the Gospel will help us to understand what that means. When Jesus healed him, he didn't do anything special. He didn't have anything magical or special in the Gospel. All we hear is this: Jesus telling the blind Bartimaeus, telling him, your faith has saved you. Iyak nagligtas yung sarili na nagligtas na is faith. Your faith has saved you. What did he do? Magpahambol niya ako? Hindi no? Ano ba yan? Ipakayat ko. Dito mismo. Your faith has saved you. What faith is the Lord speaking of here? How does that faith heal? You see, Bartimaeus is blind and beggar for a long time. He has been a feature in the town in Jericho. Labas-labas at lilusan. Nakuha mo yung Vienna, yung magulat. Tulubi. Nung dalawin ni, yapi na yito, utang na yung Vienna. Manakit kay Luwal. Ulit bulag yun. Dahil manakit siya pala, Bartimaeus, manakit siya kay Tilog, naninakakit na, that was not the only life available to him. That begging, a life of blindness, a life di maasa, di alang pag-asa, higit kanini pala yung kanyang pahinapan. He could see, although he was blind, he could see people and their attitude towards him. Kung inagulat tao, nangyayang limos. But then he heard about this special person, Jesus. Kung ba't mo iyaminawag kaya ang limos kaya, naninginawag na, knowing that he was a special person. Nawad na nga, Master, I want to see. He could have said, I want money. He said instead, I want to see. O yan ang sukitilog na. O yan ang kayang pangarap, panina, biye aliwa. That is the faith that the Lord is talking about. Although he was blind, although he was nobody, he still could see. He still could feel that remaining dignity that can only come from God. Each one of us, presence by God, has that faith that morsel of faith that tells us you are not garbage. You are not useless just because you are blind. You are worthy. You are a human being, although you are a beggar. Bartimaeus kept that inside him. That was the faith that nurtured him. Take note, when he wanted to be helped by the Lord, the people were stopping him. Is this not a frequent situation? Putang bisa sa Jose, ay, kakakaldarin mo, trabida, kakakaldarin mamagwat ka, nung yan ang masigang kumpiyansa kay sarili mo, maglelego, manahimik. What did Bartimaeus do? He shouted over the mob, the gospel tells us, Jesus, Son of David, have pity on me. That is self-confidence. That is what Bartimaeus has. That is faith, self-confidence. Faith is, as we all know, believing God. But what we forget, faith is also belief in the self. Believing what? Believing that we all come from God. That our life is good because it comes from God. Although there are so many reasons, there are so many people who will keep us blind to that goodness, that dignity. We never lose that. Confident, believe that you are good, even though you are immersed in darkness. There are so many people, sadly, who obscure that beautiful faith, that beautiful dignity that we all have. A daughter sexually abused by her father. Magda, di pampanan, nangyayang pagda, itang confidence ng ito. A wife enslaved by her husband. A husband who has lost his job. Mawala ka kumpiyansa. May puhunan maragul ang ini, may hipit. Manahil ang taong kalupan ng hindi mo, ang mangising, ikarelang self-confidence, confidence, faith. That is what Bartimaeus reminds us today. Faith nurtures us, nourishes us when we do not lose that faith, that conviction that we are worth God's love, God's attention. Never mind those people who disable us, people who rather than nourish and feed our confidence, they starve us of our dignity. They don't have the last say. The last say belongs to God. Who in the first place has given us that confidence? Believe in God, that is faith. But also, never forget, believe in the self. The Lord told Bartimaeus, go your way, sulong na your faith has saved you. That is what the Lord is telling us also today. Go your way. maybe you find yourself in sorry situations that make you tend to lose your self-confidence. The Lord tells you, go on. You never lose that confidence, that dignity that God has given you. Let that be our good news on this last day of the Novena Masses. Have faith in yourself, just as have faith in God. Don't lose your self-confidence. You are good like your God. You are able to live like your Lord. This is our God who gives us our dignity, our goodness. Let us all stand and profess our